false dogmas. Remember that? Ptolemy said, 2nd century BC, AD, sun goes round the earth. Yes, you can see that coming up, going down. It took 500 years. Every professor, PhD, etc., taught sun goes round the earth. Ptolemy came, Copernicus came in the 7th century and he said, earth goes round the sun. It took 2 centuries for us to believe that. See, 127 AD, Galen said, blood circulates from the liver. The chyle comes from the intestine. In the liver, it gets converted into blood, and liver pumps the blood. For 1500 years, every professor of medicine taught that. Then 1628, William Harvey came, just saw some water pump and came and dissected animals and said, this demoto cordis, he said heart pumps blood. He was to be killed that night. Somebody warned him, he ran away in darkness, ran away all the way to Calais, caught a boat, went out and was hiding in Germany for 1 year. Then the king sent for him and said, no, your thinking is right, you come. Those days, if your thinking is accepted by the king, you become a PhD. Thesis, you know what thesis is? Thesis is a table on which the king's court, it is there. And when it is accepted, you keep it on that, it becomes a thesis. Before the king accepted, it was a hypothesis, it can't be on the table. You understand that? You ask the PhD students when they come for, what is thesis? Thesis, sir, writing. Sir, that's not knowledge, writing, sir. I said, what is the meaning of the word thesis? Never thinks. Because our students don't think. You must read this book. Some skeptics here. There's a book written by a very great scientist, a physicist. The book's name is Against Method. What's the book's name? Against Method. Who is the scientist? Paul Feyerabend. Feyerabend. And if you read this book, you will know how big a fraud the Western science is. He is a professor. Not in India, but in England. You know the old fish net hypothesis? Don't you know what is fish net hypothesis? Sir Arthur Stanley Eddington, Nobel laureate, physicist. He proposed the fish net hypothesis. The ichthyologists wanted to study fish scientifically. So they went with the net, went to the sea, caught the fish, Vernier caliper and exactly studied. Hypothesis was every sea fish is bigger than 2 inches. Okay? So it got published in the peer-reviewed journal, and books wrote, every fish in the sea must be more than 2 inches. Then some other group went after some time, some years, 20 years, they took another net, smaller whole net, and they caught even smaller fish. So they said, no, fish can be even less than 2 inches. That also became thesis. So he calls it as fish net hypothesis. So what the scientist can find out, he thinks is the truth. It's not the truth. It's not the whole truth. So we will all read that Pushpa Bhargava's article, polio, politics of polio. Don't read my articles. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Now the concluding words from the youngest participant of this event, Master Atman Shah.
As our event comes to an end, we, Jai Bhagwan Charitable Trust and all organizers, thank you for your attending event and spending your precious time with Dr. B.A. Megde. Thank you.
Shortest vote of thanks from the youngest person.